Are you ready to take your images to the next level with AI? Let me introduce you to some powerful tools that can transform your photos with just a few clicks. First up, AI Image Extender. Need to expand your image beyond its borders? This tool seamlessly extends backgrounds, giving your pictures a natural and polished look. Next, AI Eraser. Say goodbye to unwanted objects in your photos. With smart AI, you can remove distractions effortlessly, leaving behind a clean and professional image. Want to remove a background in just one click? Remove BG does exactly that, cutting out subjects with precision and giving you a transparent background in seconds. Then we have AI Replace. Simply paint over an area, describe what you want, and watch as AI seamlessly generates the perfect replacement. Looking to enhance image quality? Image Enhancer increases resolution without losing detail, making your photos sharper and more vibrant. If you want to refine your body shape, Reshape Body lets you make natural-looking adjustments effortlessly, slim down, tone up, or enhance curves in just a few taps. Next, Swap Face. Have fun swapping faces in your photos with incredible accuracy. Whether for entertainment or creative projects, this tool makes it effortless. Ever wanted to try on new outfits without changing clothes? AI Outfit lets you experiment with different looks instantly, bringing your fashion ideas to life. For creative transformations, AI Filter applies unique and stunning effects to your images, giving them a fresh and artistic touch. And finally, Change Posture. Adjust body poses and stances seamlessly in seconds, making your photos look just the way you want. With these AI-powered tools, image editing has never been easier or more fun. Try them out today and elevate your creativity to the next level.